So the OnePlus 12 has been here, it's been great, and it has brought in amazing feature that we are not seeing on other smartphones right now, at least to my knowledge. Correct me if I'm wrong, but as you can see right here to my right, I got the Airvooc 50W wireless charger. The OnePlus 12 is capable of charging wirelessly at 50 watts. Airvooc 50W, I should say. That is what they are calling it. This charger just came in. I'm super excited to try it out. I have not tried it out yet, but I figured, hey, why not try it out here on camera with all of you so we can test it out and see just how fast it's going to charge our OnePlus 12. As you can see, I got a timer here ready to go. Currently at 2% battery life. I'm gonna let it get down to 1% battery life, and then we'll start the charging from there. That way we can at least keep the screen on and keep track of battery percentage. But taking a look at the back of the box real quick, let me move this to the middle. So as you can see, max 50-watt wireless Airvooc charge, instant charging any way you want it, silent nighttime mode, turbine air cooling. So it's even got an air cooler somewhere in here, and then multiple safety protection. So pretty cool there, cool looking charger. Now this does not come with a charging brick in the box because it is intended to be used with your OnePlus 12. So the OnePlus 12 comes with a charging brick in the box. So you're gonna use that charging brick to use this wireless charger right here. But let's go ahead and get this down to 1% and let's start that test. All right, so we are down to 1% battery life. Who's ready? I'm ready. Let's go ahead and get this started in a 3, 2, 1. Boom. As soon as this is charging, I'm gonna press start. Boom. There we go. 1% Airvooc. All right, let's see how long this takes. Oh, hold on. You guys probably can't hear that through my microphone, but I can actually hear the fan going on, cooling down I guess to keep the phone cool. Look we're already at 2% battery life. I do got no do not disturb on, but look at that, Airvooc charging 2%. Let's see how fast it gets up to 3%. Then I'll probably, put this into a time lapse. That way we're not literally here sitting through the whole entire thing for the exact amount of time that it's going to take. I do not know how long it's going to take, but 3%, boom. Dang, that was fast. All right, let me go and throw this into a time lapse, and I'll be back when it gets to about, I don't know, we'll see. I'll be back in a few minutes. All right, so we are now at 10 minutes, as you can see here, and look at this, 25%. So you're gonna get yourself a quick 25% of battery life with just 10 minutes of SuperVooc wireless charging with this 50-watt wireless charger. Absolutely crazy. So I'm really curious to see just how long it's gonna take to get all the way up to 100. Y'all make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, because I'm literally sitting here through the whole entire thing to try and keep this screen awake for you guys so we can keep an eye on the percentage, 26% now. And I'm pretty sure it probably would charge just a little bit faster if I wasn't constantly waking the screen. So just kind of keep that in mind throughout this test. The only reason I'm doing that is so we can all together keep an eye on that battery percentage there. But that fan is still going. I can still hear it constantly going. That way this phone will, keep cool and hopefully not overheat. I don't feel it overheating. Doesn't even feel super hot or anything like that. So far, feeling good. Looks like that cooling system is working on this charger. But let's go ahead and jump back into the time lapse. All right, so we are at the halfway mark. In 25 minutes, we were able to get up to 51% battery life. Well, I think it was 50 as soon as this hit 25. So I'm assuming maybe at 50 minutes, this should be at 100% battery life. I mean, you're getting 50 watts for 50 minutes. I don't know, who knows, but I'm actually pretty impressed. 25 minutes is gonna get you 51% battery life. Yeah, this thing is going quick for a wireless charger. Like I said, this is charging faster than other flagship devices that charge fast wired. Did that make sense? Did I say that right? I think I said that right, but y'all get what I'm saying. It's amazing that what OnePlus was able to do with the OnePlus 12 right here in the charging capabilities, or fast charging, or fast wireless charging capability, I should say, or Airvooc as they say. But let's go ahead and keep it going. All right, so we are now at 84% battery life with 45 minutes on the timer. Look at that. So 45 minutes to get to 84% battery life. I'm hoping it hits 85% before we get to 46 minutes. That way it's kind of like, I don't know, it's like a percent a minute. No, that doesn't make sense. Either way, we'll have 15 more percent to go with 15 minutes left before it hits an hour. Look at that, 85%, boom. So it might not take 50 minutes to charge this to 100%. It might take an hour. I know I said 50 minutes, but again, you got to remember I have been, waking up the screen, which I'm sure is keeping it from charging as super fast as it could if I wasn't constantly waking the screen. But if you notice, I haven't been waking it as much as earlier. That way it can charge the way it's supposed to. But I am leaving this timer going. So 85% battery life with 46 minutes on the timer. Let's keep it going. We'll go ahead and jump back into this once it hits 100%. I'll be back with my final update. All right, so here we are at the home stretch. It does say 100% battery life, but it is still charging. It is not a full 100%. So we're gonna sit here and wait until it says, I don't know, it might say charging completed, I guess, or a complete charge, but it does still say that Airvooc charging 100%. So it is still charging, at least to my knowledge. It even says up here that it's still charging. So we're gonna wait for that. We're currently at 56 minutes. I'm waiting very patiently. I'm sure it's gonna end here really soon. I'm getting ready to press that stop button. Let me go ahead and let it go back to the dark screen here. There we go. I'm sure as soon as that little lightning bolt goes away, that's when we'll know this device is fully charged at 100%. But if you're happy enough just seeing the 100%, I mean, look at this, 56 minutes. 56 minutes to get this up to 100%. I'm just waiting for it to be done. When it goes down like that, it makes me think it's gonna say done, but it's not done yet. But I mean, in my opinion, I think this is pretty crazy still for wireless charging. No phone charges this fast wirelessly from 0, or I would say 1% to 100% in just 56 minutes. Absolutely crazy. And like I said, if you aren't interested in this Airvooc wireless charger, I make sure I have a link down in the description below in case you want to check that out. Let's go ahead and turn it to the side while the phone is still charging, just so you can take a quick look at it while we're waiting here. It's just a quick look at the charger. I mean, nothing fancy, nothing crazy, but still got a pretty cool look to it, I guess. Let's see, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we almost there? Come on, we gotta be there. 100% Airvooc charging, still charging 100%. Man, how long does it take for it to say complete? I don't know. Is it done yet? I don't know. Would you guys consider that done? Because if so, then to charge that 56%, I mean, at 56 minutes, we are now at 57 minutes. So yeah, I don't know. But we also got to take into account that I was waking the screen constantly throughout this charging test. So it might have charged, would have charged faster, maybe 54 minutes, maybe 53 minutes, if I wasn't constantly, waking the screen like this all throughout the video. But like I said, I was doing that just to keep track of the battery percentage on the device itself. So I don't know, maybe we can just be safe and say, yeah, it charged up at 56 minutes, all the way up to 100%. I don't know. Y'all let me know down in the comments sections below. I'm patiently waiting here. I don't want to keep you guys too long, and I'm probably just rambling. You know what? Let's cut it right here. Let's cut. All right, I'm back, and you know what? I'm just going to assume that it is done charging because it has been like this for a few minutes already, and it should have been done by now. So I'm just going to assume that it is done charging. It probably just says that because it's still on the charger, and it's keeping it juiced up at 100% until I take the device off of the charger here. But yeah, so we'll call it 56 minutes. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Do you think 56 minutes is a good time when it comes to charging your OnePlus 12 wirelessly? Let me know. Like I said, you got other phones. You know what? Right here to my right is the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let me go ahead and throw this on the charger. Let's see what it says. Let's see how long this phone's gonna take charging wirelessly. 3 hours and 45 minutes until full. And that's at 17%. So yeah, I think we can safely say that the Airvooc 50W super fast charging on the OnePlus 12 right here is absolutely impressive. Definitely faster than, you know, like I said, other flagship devices that charge wirelessly. But again, let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come, especially with this beautiful OnePlus 12 right here. I got tons more content coming with this device right here. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.